Hi everyone. As mentioned in our last video, some upcoming posts will be remasters of previous work, and here we are again. This is another abbreviation of a previous video. In this case, it is the Rolling Pin Wall Bracket, first published on YouTube in September of 2025. It's okay if you don't remember, because we're happy to show you again. We start with 3 strips cut from maple and 4 strips cut from walnut. Each strip has been drilled for dowels for proper alignment when glued. Here, our craftsman is dry fitting before gluing. Here, our craftsman is gluing the 7 pieces together in a pattern decided upon previously. Clamping is done using 4 quick-action clamps along the sides and 2 F-clamps at the ends. The F-clamps are used with angled aluminum pieces as an addition method to keep the strips aligned. A 3-inch strip is cut off a piece of 3-inch by 1/4-inch aluminum flat bar. This piece will become the wing of the wall bracket that the rolling pin will hang off of. The wing is drilled and tapped for attaching to the base of the bracket. Next, a 1-inch hole is drilled 1 1/4 inch in from the end, after which a slot will be cut up to the hole. Then, a pneumatic chamfering tool is used to slightly round off the edges of the wing. To make it really shine, the wing is brought up to a mirror-like finish on the buffing wheel. The slot for the wing is made using a small CNC router. The base is slightly lifted at the top end, so the wing will have an upward slant. A drill guide is placed in the base for proper location of the screw hole for the wing. epoxy is used to glue the two mounting bushings, as well as a secondary means of attaching the wing. Such redundancy not only helps avoid mistakes, it makes any fitting twice as strong as it could be. Lastly, a liberal coat of mineral oil is used to finish the bracket. And we're done. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as the first time around, and if you'd like to see more, consider following our channel, liking, or commenting. Woodworking can be dangerous and should be limited to persons with the skill and proper understanding of the safety requirements needed to use the tools involved. Thank you for watching.